How to make Keto Buffalo Chicken Bowl. The ingredients: 12-ounce cooked chicken, 3 tablespoon butter, melted, 1/4 cup hot sauce, 12-ounce romaine lettuce, chopped, 3-ounce cooked bacon, crumbled, 1/4 cup banana peppers, 4 medium green onion, thinly sliced, 3-ounce cherry tomatoes, diced, 1 medium avocado, diced, 6 tablespoon ranch dressing. The preparation: 1. Measure out and prepare all the ingredients. 2. In a bowl, combine the cooked chicken, melted butter, and hot sauce. Mix together. 3. Combine all the vegetables together in a bowl. Top with the chicken and bacon. 4. Drizzle with ranch dressing and serve. The serving. This makes a total of 3 servings of Keto Buffalo Chicken Bowl. Each serving comes out to be 771 calories, 61.7 grams fat, 6.8 grams net carbs, and 40.2 grams protein. If you want to get a custom keto diet made up for you, just click on the link in the description below for more recipes.